This model kit review is of the green Hornet. It's a 1/32nd scale model by Polar Lights, and this is obviously an old kit. I was a little disappointed when I bought it because I thought it was 1/24th scale. It's actually not, it's 1/32nd scale, and this is kind of for beginners, 7 inches long. It does need some glue and some paint, some details there about the car, some pictures there of the finished model with the different features, and then the parts review. It's a very simple kit. So let's have a look inside. Let's have a look at our body first here. So we've got our body and chassis together here. Just quite a big car, I guess. Holding quality is not great. Got some flashing here. Really, you do have some recessed lines, but they're not very clean. We've got some mold lines here. Those are easily sanded off though. And molded in windshield wipers. A little rough here. Here's our chassis, molded in engine. There's the oil pan and transmission with our exhausts. There's a fuel tank, and you can see where the bolts are going to go for our axles. Let's have a look at these next sprues here. So next we've got our cockpit tub with some built-in seats there, and not really sure what these parts are for. We'll have to look at the instructions. Maybe that goes in, that's a central console or something. Over here we've got our steering wheel, as well as looks like probably our maybe grills there with headlights. See the headlights molded in there. That's our front grille there. We've got some rocket systems and then some wheels. Over here we've got the what that is, that's our dashboard there, and that's the other part of it. This might be a panel for the inside for maybe some of the rocketry or the little surprises that will shoot out there. Here we've got some solid vinyl tires, and then over here is our glass, which is front and side glass. There's our rear glass there. Really kind of this is obviously very old kits. So here is the instruction sheet and some details there about the car, and this kind of shows you how to build it. So it's the bulletproof window and the rear body panels. There we go, that's what those parts are for. Those are all of our grills, and the rocket pods in the front, headlights. It's the window divider, and our dashboard. So next we've got our body going on with the wheels and the axle, and then that's the finished model. Really is a simple one. There's some details in terms of painting, what color to paint it. But yeah, very simple kit, easy for a beginner, and it is unfortunately 1/32nd scale.